Alright, carry on here. I'm going to show you guys how to use my new tool, This or That. So This or That basically ranks things for you like a tier list, and all you have to do is either create or import the data that you want to be ranked. So go and start by clicking Create Nodes, and here you have two fields, your name and your image. So for this example, I'm going to be ranking frogs. So go here, frog 1. I'm going to get this image of a frog, and I'm going to click it and go copy image address. Paste it in here and click the apply image button. There's frog 1. Now I'm going to go get two more frogs for this example. Sometimes the links don't work for the images, so you just gotta click around and just try a different image. We'll say it works with quite a few of the images. I'm just getting unlucky here. That one it liked. And for this example, I'll go get one more frog. Unlucky. Alright, so there are two sorting systems, quicksort and precise sort. So quicksort generates two random pieces of data and pits them against each other, like this, and will ask you which one you prefer. Where precise sort will just rank, you'll compare each one by one without repeats, but you need to compare every single piece of data with every other piece of data, so it takes a lot longer than quicksort. The only downside is quicksort has repeats. So after I say which frogs I like more, go to results, you see my preference. This is just how many times I clicked on the frog versus how much it was shown. So frog 3 I clicked on 87% of the time it was shown, frog 1 55%, and frog 2 11%. Then I can go here and export those results, copy that and paste it somewhere. So if I want to go to create dataset, I can go to clear nodes and I can clear node info. That basically resets the ranking, and that allows you to go into precise sort if you already did a quick sort. So like I said earlier, precise sort is every object compared to every other object without repeats. So frog 1 versus frog 2, frog 1 versus frog 3, now frog 2 versus frog 3. And there you have your results there. Precise sort is a lot more accurate than quick sort, but again, it takes longer with a lot more objects. If you want to get rid of your nodes, just go clear nodes, remove nodes. If you want to import or export anything, let me get a few more. You don't need images for these either, by the way. Alright, sorry for the cut. So yeah, just go ahead, click export, Control C. Now I'm going to clear the nodes. So as you see here, there's nothing. If I export, exports nothing. But if I go import, I can just import those nodes back in, those A, B, C, D. Now I can go, and you can see they're back in. Now, if importing causes a crash, it's probably because you did not copy the entirety of this export message here. If you copy only a part of it, it probably will crash. So I'm going to remove all the nodes now, and I'm going to import a dataset I made prior to demonstrate what it looks like to have a lot more nodes. So this is just all the tracks in Mario Kart Wii, and I'm going to precise sort, and you see here it just compares the first node to every other node, and then it will then take the next node and compare it to every other node, skipping the first node, and then the third node, skipping the first two, and so on until it's done the entire data set. Then you can see the results from that a bit early, but if you are really hasty and want to just quickly sort, that's what quick sort is for. Then you can see your results there. So that's this or that. If you have any questions or if you find a bug, feel free to point it out or ask them in the comments. And if you want to share your dataset that you've made so other people can use it, also put that in the comments.